Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Aadhar card hard copy at home. You can easily order a durable PVC Aadhar card directly from the Aadhar website. This convenient service ensures you receive a high-quality card with enhanced security features. There's a nominal fee of 50 rupees for this process, making it an affordable way to get your physical Aadhar card delivered right to your doorstep. To begin, visit the official Aadhar website. Once there, you'll need to enter either your 12-digit Aadhar number or your 28-digit enrollment ID. After inputting your identification, proceed to complete the security verification. This usually involves entering a CAPTCHA code displayed on the screen, ensuring your request is legitimate and secure. Next, you'll verify your identity using a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered mobile number. If your mobile number isn't registered, don't worry, there's an alternative option to proceed. After successful verification, you'll complete the payment of 50 rupees. You can use various online payment methods, making the transaction quick and secure. Finally, your Aadhar PVC card will be dispatched and delivered to your registered address via speed post. You can typically expect to receive your card within 5 to 10 working days from the date of your order. To keep an eye on its journey, you'll be provided with a service request number, allowing you to easily track your order status online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.